In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Attack on Titan 2 not opening. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you multiple tips and methods to use if Attack on Titan 2 is not opening. These are going to work if you are playing the game on Steam. So, if you go over to your Steam library and find Attack on Titan 2, you will be able to follow along. Keep in mind that I am doing this process with the demo, but don't worry, if you have the full game, all of these are going to work. I'm only using the demo for demonstration purposes. So all that you have to do here is right-click Attack on Titan 2, go over to Properties, and select Installed Files, where you can find the option to verify the integrity of the game files. What this is going to do is scan all of the files that were downloaded by the Steam launcher, and if it detects that any of the files necessary for the game to work are missing or corrupted, they are going to be re-downloaded. Essentially, it is a quick way to see if anything was corrupted during your installation of the game. With this done, go ahead and try to run it. If it still doesn't work, then you can move on to some additional steps. So, something else that you can try is once you launch the game and you see this little startup setting thing, you will be able to switch over from borderless on or full screen to off. So make sure that you set full screen to off. It might seem silly, but this is a quick way to ensure that the game is going to open without any issues. Double check the resolution, make sure that it matches your monitor or TV native size, and afterwards, something else that you can try is lowering the graphic settings. You can bump these up later, but lowering them just to see if the game is working properly is a nice way to go about it as well. The last thing to check is to update the drivers for your GPU and also DirectX. So if you go over to the Microsoft website, you can find the latest version of DirectX. You can use the setup here to get a quick installation going, and all that you have to do is accept the agreement and click next, next, next. I'm not going to do it in this video because I already have DirectX installed, but this is all you have to do. For your GPU, go over to the NVIDIA website or AMD website, and if you don't know which GPU you have, just right click the Windows icon, go over to Device Manager, and it is going to be listed under Display Adapters. If you see something like Intel Integrated Graphics, just right click it and then select Update Drivers, but if you have something from NVIDIA or AMD, visit the respective websites and get the drivers from here. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Attack on Titan 2 not launching. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.